Understand that it's not just about doing the right things. It's about doing the right things in the right order. Meaning, in terms of doing the process, dapat tama yung pagkakasunod-sunod. One major example around this is pag nagluluto ka ng itlog, hindi pwedeng mauna kang kumain. Huli yung pagkain ng itlog, right? Hindi magiging maganda yung resulta kung mauunang basagin yung itlog, saka lalagyan ng mantika, tapos saka iinitin. For you to create the best possible outcome, and that would be success, kailangan tama yung pagkakasunod-sunod ng proseso. But most people will start with the last. My point now is very simple. Most of you already know how to be successful. Most of you? Yes, you. You're watching this video, right? You already know how to achieve your goals and dreams. You already know how to get what you want. The only problem is we fail to do it in the right order. We fail to do it in the right process. So right now, we will talk about the 5 S in success.